Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Windows Event Viewer logs for VPS troubleshoot. To begin, open the Start menu on your Windows VPS. Type Event Viewer into the search bar and press Enter. This will launch the Event Viewer application. In the Event Viewer, you will see a tree structure on the left side. Expand the Windows Logs folder. You will find several categories: Application, Security, Setup, System, and Forwarded Events. Click on System to view system-related logs. You can sort the events by date and time for easier navigation. Look for any entries marked with a red error icon. These entries indicate critical issues that need to be addressed. To view the details of a specific event, double-click on it. A new window will pop up showing information about the event. Take note of the event ID and source, as these can be helpful for troubleshooting. Next, switch to the application log to check for application-specific issues. Again, look for errors that may be affecting your VPS performance. Use the filter option in the right pane to display only error events. Apply the filter and examine the filtered results. If you need further insights, right-click an entry and select Event Properties. This will provide additional details such as the event description and the user that triggered it. You can also check the security log for any unauthorized access attempts. This can be critical in maintaining the security of your VPS. For in-depth analysis, consider exporting the logs. Right-click on the desired log, then select Save All Events As. Choose the format you prefer and save the file for future reference. Review the logs regularly to ensure your VPS operates smoothly. Understanding these logs can help you identify and fix problems before they escalate. With practice, analyzing these logs will become a valuable skill for VPS management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.